Well, thank you. Welcome to our little gig.
Atma Prema stands as a collective of dedicated educators committed to personal growth and development. As the founder, my primary role is to craft educational programs towards self-mastery and furthermore to certify teachers to run those programs.
I'm so excited and thrilled to be here and, just seeing a dream unfold. At Axialent, we believe that work is an opportunity to express who we are.
To do something worthwhile and make money rather than doing something to make money only.
It's not just about getting the money. It's about the purpose, who we are.
Value not just in the financial sense of the word value, but also in the ethical sense as in moral values.
We've learned that people are made up of organization.
Yes.
And you don't manage organization.
Don't tell people what you want them to change. Be the change first. Demonstrate what you want them to change. Then when you start sweating because it's so hard to change, then tell them, you see, this is what we want to do. We're not there yet, but we want you in this with us. So through our work, we really attune to our values, to our talents, to our passions. So why do we have to suffer while working? So the dream is, let's make the world of work a better place.
Because it gives really positive impact and more so sustainable outcome to the organization. Because you cannot separate personal from professional.
If you don't have self-love, the person who will really look after himself or herself, then I don't think it's gonna work. It has to start from the person.
You look at the numbers, but you don't attach yourself to the numbers. But you start connecting with people.
All the little things you do, the way you do something small is the way you do something big. So consistently, and that's I think the key.
Through self-mastery, we forge impactful leaders, integrate purpose, and consistently operate with integrity.
I will focus on purpose, on values, and make sure that I lead with authenticity and integrity.
Together, Axialent and Atma Prema are dedicated to guiding you on this transformative